We're in Build a Boat. I'm showing all my save slots. Not all of them are done. First of all, turret. Let's turn on this to make this go faster. This is like my 5th attempt because I've been lagging out. It moves up, down. We got cameras. F is for miniguns. E is for cannons. Really cool. Built this. It's got a laser, American flag, star. Now this is from so me and my cousin were doing a battle. This is the inside of his base. I just have a bunch of stuff. I'm not gonna show the powers because there's a lot and I don't really want to waste a lot of time and stuff. So camera. Here cannons. That's supposed to say miniguns. And there's a few other, but AFK grinders. Just my AFK grinder. A jet. It's really not a jet. It's something that I built a long time ago. It's got really pretty balloons. All this F has E for, I think I have a jet in the back. X. There's a bunch of stuff that's just unknown about this. Spinners, actually. I got this one. Is the thing. I have this spinner out of gold blocks, which took forever. So, I mean, I barely have any. Well, I got a lot more because I haven't done it all. This one, and then I have this one. So very cool. Houses. This one's nice. This is the safest. I got a bunch of decoration on all of them. This little balloon thing. I can really quickly show the things. I think, oh, it's just, it's not good. It's just a thing, yeah, but I got fireworks. 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 And then a little bit more fireworks. F for this camera. K for this camera. V for this camera. C for this camera. E for the fireworks, and then those. And then, X is for this one. That's really hidden. All you can see is the glass. Okay, Red Death roller coaster. Here it is. It does indeed work. It's kind of slow though. But hey, it's a roller coaster. And yeah, you know, it goes all the way to the end and stuff. Okay. Jets. I'm adding to this time. Cousin's name. Lights. Main jet, they're all connected. So that's nice. Got foods. I'm also adding to this one. Got a bunch of foods. Apples. Ketchup, mustard. Tomato slice. Donut. Carrot, pizza. Hot chocolate. Cereal. Hamburger. Hot dog. Corn. Water. Milk. Ice cream sandwich. Candy. Oreo. Sausage. Fork, knife, plate. Fries. Banana. Blueberry. Avocado. Grape. Hot dog. Chicken. And that's it. This one ain't done, but it's gonna turn out to be hot. My god, my dad's parking. This one's also not done. OP is just saw this one dude building something and I was like, yeah, that's cool, I might as well do it. So, that's what I have. Tiny slingshot. It's a slingshot. It's a slingshot. So that's cool. Army base, I'm still working on this one. It produces so much lag because of that fence. I mean, look at that fence. It's called the lag producer right there. Got a little base, we got a tank, 3 Humvees, a helicopter, base, gun wall, gun wall. Yep. Big tank. Me and my cousin wanted to build something. We decided about those really, really big tanks. We're like, yeah, sure. You got 2 tank turrets, 2 cannon turrets, a minigun turret, tank turret. This cost so far a lot of blocks, especially titanium. I don't think I have enough. So, my cousin loved the Golden Gate Bridge, so he wanted me to build it. It used to have cars, but they would just break the thing, so I got rid of it. Mini theme park. I have this and I have this. We'll go on this first. First you want to select everything and press on anchor. That's not supposed to go that fast. There you go. And oh my god. Aurora. God. First wheel. Fun. Sat on that for like 10 minutes with my cousin one time. We got a jet ski. Literally a jet ski. Don't like there's a lot of mechanics behind it. Watch this. It goes back, it has a big boost. Does everything. Oh, and I made it to where you're able to kidnap people on the front. If I had another person, I'll just demonstrate with myself. You're able to sit on the front. It's very cool. Got jail. I trapped one of my cousins. It's got everything. Got a city I was gonna work on and make, but I'm giving up because the space is way too tiny. Got a neighborhood. And can I say, this is difficult. I'm only done with the first house. They still have like 50 more houses. I'm probably gonna copy and paste. I'm not done yet. So, but I mean, it looks nice. Got a little fire in there and everything. Going down to the last one. We got a singular tower. Goes up real high, and these are the same one in the city. I'll actually show you. There's a singular floor on here. Singular floor. And it is the work floor. Has lights. Has a screen. And if someone spills, you get a broom. Time to fall. Got a semi-truck. It's not the best semi-truck, but I mean it is one. It pulls, so I added turbo. It pulls like hundreds of pounds. I think last time it pulled like 2,000 blocks or something like that. It's about like this much. Too big. A little bit shorter. Really? Oh yeah, because last time it blew like 2,000 blocks. I wonder about now if I showed it before. Not an inch. Three-ish. Huh. Nah, that's only 1,000. I can easily pull that. This much, I'm pretty sure it was. It was 2,000 something. What? This much. Okay, I should easily pull this. This is just not making me feel better. Wait, what? I'm sorry. Nothing's anchored. Oh no, but I can be able to pull like 2,000. JetBlue plane. It's a plane. Those two move. I'll show you. So you got luxury, first, last. You got this and then a normal seat, but it's. You go down here and then, oh, I got around the restroom. Go down here. Then you're done. Wash your hands. Close the door. Come up into the Captain's Lounge. Turn on the thruster, the boosters, the engines, and fly. Car. Meet a few cars. And this one's not finished, but it's a rocket ship. I'm probably not gonna do this. I'm gonna restart on that. But at the end, it does work. For some reason, that pops off. So that's all of them. I'm gonna stay here for a little bit so then you can look at all of them. Pause the video and look and see what I've done. Goodbye.